A black screen in Mistplay usually means the app opened, but it failed to load your account, rewards, or server data. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest ways to fix it and what usually causes it. The first fix is force closing the app. Open your recent apps, swipe away Mistplay, then open it again. This reloads the app from the beginning and clears temporary startup errors. A lot of black screen problems happen because the app gets stuck during its first sync. If the screen stays black, check your internet. Mistplay needs a stable connection to load offers, account data, and reward balances. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or the other way around. If your connection is weak or blocking the app, changing networks can fix it fast. Next, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Cache stores temporary files like login sessions and offer data. If one of those files gets corrupted, the app can open to a blank or black screen. If clearing cache doesn't work, update the app. Go to the Google Play Store and install any available update. Older versions can stop loading properly if Mistplay changes server connections or app features. Another thing to check is battery optimization. Some Android devices limit app processes in the background, which can interrupt startup. Go to Settings, Battery Optimization, find Mistplay, and set it to unrestricted. This keeps the app active long enough to finish loading. Now restart your phone. A restart clears memory conflicts and closes background apps that may be interfering with Mistplay. If the app still opens to a black screen, clear app data. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Data. This fully resets the app, so you'll need to sign back in. Your rewards should still be tied to your account, not the app install. One more thing to check is Misplay's servers. If their servers are down, the app can open but fail to load anything. So the fastest fixes are force close, switch networks, clear cache, and update the app. Start with force, close, and cache. First, because those solve black screen issues most often. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick app fixes.